Hello guys, a very beautiful development has taken place between Yağmur Yüksel and Barış Baktaş, who are the famous Turkish actors. And Yağmur Yüksel has won the Best Actress award. She was very happy and delighted at the same time. On the other hand, Barış Baktaş has appreciated Yağmur Yüksel and sent her a bucket of flowers. That made her extremely happy. So, Barış Baktaş and Yağmur Yüksel are very happy after Yağmur won the award. And everyone is appreciating Yağmur very much. Especially Barış and Barış family has appreciated her a lot. Yağmur herself is very happy after getting this award. So, Barış Baktaş has sent flowers to Yağmur Yüksel.